XRP is completely going the moon now. Congratulations everybody, my friend. Not just XRP holder, all cryptocurrencies. You can say one of my favorite cryptocurrencies: Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, Chainlink, Polygon, Internet Computer. Oh my goodness, this time Theta Network, Stellar, Vision. Oh my goodness, all currencies just wake up and moving upward and change your positive and price is increasing. So this is incredible. I can't expect this from this coin, my friend, because I lost completely my previous test, my friend. Definitely this time XRP will wake up and completely go in the moon now. And what happening, my friend, especially with holder and those days, they are starting selling, my friend, at the end of month. So therefore, my brother, you can see here they again starting buying. Absolutely, they are starting moving upward now because holder are starting buying. So definitely when a holder starting buying, so exactly, my friend, the coin is moving upward now. If we just only check out the last 1 day chart, the last 24-hour chart, so definitely, my friend, you can see here the last 24-hour change occurs 3.25%. They will take a jump and completely in the profit now. Congratulations to the price is again starting increasing now, and the price is just only hit now 0.7 USD dollars. Just only, my friend, tonight I hope they will hit 0.7 USD dollar because 0.67 USD dollar already they hit now. So just only, my friend, we need a very, my friend, 0.03 USD dollar, my friend, we need. So just only I hope they will hit 0.7 USD dollar, and I will give you guarantee to they will hit just only 1 USD dollar and the second week now, my brother, if they're moving in this speed now. So I know that they will moving upward in this speed like that. Absolutely, if you can see, my friend, I cannot expect this, my friend, from this, but absolutely in the start of month, you know, every cryptocurrency very badly falls down, but you can see here, and this month especially, everything is completely different from other months. So I can expect this, but definitely this is the reality. And if you check out my previous videos, so I already tell you, my brothers, too, in July they will moving upward now. I tell you, my friend, in June too they will moving upward, and absolutely my prediction, my update, everything, my previous videos, what I tell you, my brother, absolutely 100% going to be right now. If you want to check out, so just only go now. The video is available on my channel. Absolutely, I have a proof, my brother. So check out now. I already tell you they will move up for now. So this is the reality, and this is, my friend, they do it, my friends. Today they do it now, and it's mean, my brothers, to my prediction is going to be right. It's absolutely possible, right, my brother, because 10 to 11,000 people, my friends, subscribe the channel. So it's mean to they are all trust on ABSC channel. They are like our prediction. They are, my friend, completely trust. And absolutely, if you are also subscribed our YouTube channel, then I will give you guarantee to you never lost in your life, and they will make you millionaire, my brother. I give you guarantee. Absolutely, I will give you guarantee. If you just only trust on ABSC channel, then I hope, my brother, I cannot want, my friend, money from you, my friend. Just only I need your focus, I need your trust now. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more of this type video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.